takes a lot of work to keep your gardens looking great. Chores are never ending. It's a good idea to delegate if you can, and one thing you can delegate is irrigation. My name's Adam, and I'm here to show you how Neta irrigation products can help. In this series, we'll look at different installation options, answer your questions, and help you get the most out of your irrigation system. The possibilities are almost endless, so the first thing to consider is what will be watered. Take these pot plants. All you need to do is get the water here by using poly pipe. Once here, FlexiTube will do the rest. You need to keep your flow slow and low, so drippers are the best. Stakes will keep everything in place. For hanging plants, the tubing comes down from the rafters. Delicate seedlings and ferns need special care, so use 360-degree misters for these. They can also double as a cooling system on a hot summer's day. Now if it's a garden border that you want to irrigate, then you could use drippers directly into the poly pipe. Or to keep things simple, use garden drip. You simply lay it out, connect it with fittings and turn on the tap. The drippers are already built in, so it's a quick and easy way to set up large and long areas. Alternatively, you can insert drippers directly into poly pipe, which gives you more flexibility. You can choose a flow between 2 and 4 litres per hour, and even better, fully adjustable. You can also use pressure compensating drippers if your garden is on a hill. When it comes to garden beds, veggie or otherwise, you have the option of drippers, sprays and sprinklers. The right choice will largely depend on the size of your bed, the plants, soil, water source and of course personal preference. For larger areas, sprays or sprinklers are great, but be mindful of wet leaves, evaporation and water pressure issues. Being slow and low, there is less water loss with drippers, but of course they are not suitable for large areas and you have to be mindful of insects and soil blockages. If you're in the process of laying new turf, think ahead and include some pop-up sprinklers in your plan. Neta pop-up sprinklers come in a range of patterns such as circles, semicircles, narrow strips and the versatile adjustable ones. Your 13mm poly pipe won't cut it for this job though. Better to use 19mm that can move larger amounts of water. Whether you have pots, borders, beds or lawns, it's important that you measure and plan your irrigation system before you go shopping. This will ensure you purchase the correct products to ensure efficient and effective watering.